Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Alaska Airlines Companion Fare that comes with eligible Alaska Airlines credit cards. This benefit lets you book a second ticket for as low as $122 or $99 fare plus taxes and fees when traveling with another passenger on the same itinerary. To redeem your Companion Fare, log onto your Alaska Airlines mileage plan account and go to the Discount and Companion Fare Codes section. Click the Shop button next to your code or manually enter the code when booking a flight on alaskaair.com. Right here. You must use your Alaska Airlines credit card to pay for both tickets. The fare must be booked before the expiration date listed in your account, but travel can be completed up to 12 months after ticketing. Both travelers will earn mileage credit, and upgrades to first class are available if space permits. However, the companion fare cannot be used with mileage award tickets. And basically that's it.